there, welcome back to my channel. Cheryl here. So today I want to talk about something exciting. It's, as we're approaching holiday season, I recently purchased a few things online and in store. So I want to share with you all these things I purchased. They might be for friends, family, or for myself. So I don't want to disclose which one is for which, but they're all like my favorite items. So I want to share with you. Let's get started. So the first package I want to talk about is this one that I literally just received. I think UPS just dropped it off. I got a notification, so I know, I have my package. And this one's actually from Sonoma. I actually never shopped at Sonoma. I have shopped at Sonoma only online, and this is the only time that I went into the store in Beverly Hills, and I saw this one, but still I ordered online. When you get a gift card, what do? You spend it, right? And I spent it on this. So I want to thank my mother-in-law for giving me that gift card. Shout out to Tony. Thank you so much. I bought one of my favorite home appliances. Okay, let's unbox this baby. So excited. I never thought I would purchase like a fancy electric kettle, and it's from Smag. So I actually got a pastel green, this one on the corner. So that's the color, and look at how cool these like 3D logos are, right? So let's check it out. It's so pretty. This brand creates some of the cutest home appliances, in my opinion. I think a lot of people agree. If you go on like Instagram, just check all the pictures with the hashtag Smag appliances or like Smag kettles and stuff. You see so many cute colors, and so these are the instructions and manual. Let's open it. Okay, this is the base, like to charge the kettle. Try to open it. No, open it. So you can see it's all like beautiful. It's actually not too heavy. Actually, it just feels really sturdy. That's in silver and this kind of like chrome like shade. Silver and like gray. Very minimalist. Here's the baby. Here's my baby. Oh my god! Look at this color, it's so pretty. Oh my god, this is so pretty. And it's the 3D logo. Oh yes. Let me put this down. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh wow. So you open it you press the top and it opens and you can fill the water. Oh my god, this is so pretty. And then the back, this is where you can get the water, start heating the water. You just press it down. And when the water is ready, the water will go up. So, oh my god, I am super excited about this thing. I can't wait to start using it, because we start drinking tea in the morning instead of like coffee. So usually we'll drink, a cup of like hot tea in the morning. And this is gonna be great. You heat it up, and then you just brew yourself a cup of tea. This is gonna be great. Oh my god, so pretty. All the details. Oh lordy. Look, they show you how many other their items. All these like pretty colors. They have some of the coolest colors. Just all the pastel, kind of soft, very vintage looking. If you love anything vintage like me, I love the design. This is definitely one of the fanciest designer electric kettle. Super cool. Okay, the bottom is very simple. It's actually not, it doesn't feel fancy at all, but it's not like super heavy. I better be careful, I don't want to drop this. But it's just, so pretty. It's the same color as you see. This is as pretty you know, as seen like on camera as in person. This is, oh my god. Somebody help me, I can't stop. This is mine. This is mine. This is my baby. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my god, let's just start using this. Yeah. I love, okay. It also has this little parts, kind of just like I guess it's like it filters out the water, maybe, you know, to kind of filter all the like chemical or I don't know, small particles in the water out. Anyways, this is beautiful. I might get another Smag product. My first product from Smag, and I know this won't be the last. I have to take a picture for my husband. He hasn't seen it yet, but I think he's gonna love it. Cause we're like deciding which color, and he's just like, you decide. And I was just debating between several different colors, but I finally, I think this is, you know, I love the Tiffany blue, the Tiffany green blue, the color. So I was so obsessed with this shade, and I just decided to get this one. Such a pretty cattle. Oh my god. I'm drooling over this. Literally, I'm drooling over this. Calm myself down, come back, and just talk about the next thing that I recently purchased. So, if you are a Sephora, you know, like a member, or, you know, shop at Sephora often, you know the Sephora sale is gonna get you, right? So, same here, you know, never not get me. Every year it gets me as I'm older right now, so I don't really spend my money like randomly just on beauty products. I'm more like skincare, you know, something that's gonna make me feel good, make me feel like I'm a woman, you know, or take care of myself, all that jazz. Anyways, so I kind of like, I got something from Sephora during the Sephora sale, and it's not a lot of things, but I guarantee these are all the great products you will need for, you know, better skin, better hair, better body care, all that stuff. So hear me out, sister. So it fits into one bag, so it's not a lot. This product from Drunk Elephant, it's their A Passiony Retinol Cream. This right now is empty, but I just want to show you. I still have the box. The first thing that you get is the retinol cream. So retinol is really good for anti-aging, you know, to improve the texture of your skin. If you have acne scarring, sun damages, you know, retinol is going to do great things for your skin. As many of you already know, retinol is actually a great ingredient or a great skincare product, you know. It's famous good skincare ingredient that helps your skin. I mean, there are people that are afraid of it, they don't want to use it, they think retinol exfoliate your skin, but what it does is actually helping you slough off, you know, the dead skin cell on your face sitting on the top layer of your epidermis, and it helps the development of new skin cells to like helps with the overall health of your skin. So it's a great product. And it also contains a lot of superfood extract, you know, so such as passion fruit, kale, winter cherry. Also, it has a good amount of like peptide and fatty acids. So peptide and fatty acids are actually the major building block of your skin. What comes into this whole product, or like this package, it has their B Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. So, you know, you can mix these two together because the formula of this, the formulation of this product is created for you to mix the retinol with oil or serum. I don't mix them together, I just put this on. And you need a little amount, just like one pea size, and kind of just like all over your face. And after I apply this one, I apply face oil. So yeah, I love this product. I love this company. One of the great products that you should be looking into. So next product I got from Sephora is by Shiseido. I think this just came out recently. It's their Weiso or Waso, I don't know what you call it. It's like a collection. This is it's a clear mega hydrating cream. So I still have it in this box. I only used it for a couple times, so it's in here. So cool. You know, it has like a handle on top. You just twist this open. It has this little spatula that you can scrape the product, you know, so you not dip your fingers into the product. So yeah, the packaging is super cool. It's in a gel form. It's like, usually if you have like a gel type of cream, you think it's for oily or just like combination skin type. But for this one, I think it works for drier skin type as well. Anything, it's like, you know, sometimes like in the summer, you just want to apply something that absorbs like right away and you just don't want to feel any tackiness. I'm not saying this one's sticky. It's more of a, okay, put it this way, humectant. This is the type of face cream or moisturizer. So humectant is basically it draws water to your skin cells to help your skin stay hydrated. So when you apply this cream, just use a little bit and just put all over your face. I think it works for combination skin type. I have combination skin type, a little towards drier side in the winter. Whenever my skin is dry, I think this works great. You know, just use a little bit. So the next product is from Philosophy, and this is their Turbo Booster C Powder. I've used this probably in the past before. This year I got it again because I want to incorporate more of the vitamin C, this ingredient, into my just daily skincare routines. 99.8% high potency topical vitamin C powder. So I basically just do a little scoop of the vitamin C powder and mix it with my hyaluronic serum. So do 3 pumps with the serum and then mix it with this and just apply it to my face. This one is non-irritating, so if you have very sensitive skin, I do have sensitive skin and I don't feel this one is irritating for my skin. So I would recommend this product if you're looking for a stable vitamin C. The product I got from Sephora is by First Aid Beauty. This is KP Bum Eraser Body Scrub. It contains AHA that helps like exfoliate, you know, any rough or just not so smooth areas. It's a combination of glycolic and lactic acids. These are 2 ingredients that are very effective in basically kind of exfoliating gently. Next, I got this product. It's for hair. You know, it's the Living Proof Dry Shampoo. It's called the Perfect Hair Day set. So you have a regular dry shampoo. It has like a travel size as well. I thought that's a great deal. It's $24, you know, for dry shampoo. And I actually tested this product. I think it works. If you keep washing every single day, and that's kind of like stripping your own natural oil. I know some people don't like that because they think it's gross, but if you can just try like maybe every other day to wash your hair, you know, it helps. Like, trust me, your hair is gonna be better if you don't wash it very often, every single day. The last thing that I actually got from Sephora is a beauty product. You know, it's this lipstick. Natasha Denona is her I Need a New lipstick. So this shade is Susanna, and it's kind of like this. I'm gonna do a swatch. So I'm currently wearing a different shade by Natasha Denona, the same lipstick, but different shade. It's Claudia that I'm currently wearing. I even bought my mom the same shade because she loves the shade as well. Definitely one of the prettiest. This bag been sitting there for a while now. Why don't we just unbox this one or just open this one?